Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will give you interesting information about Dubai. Visiting Dubai feels like stepping into the future while still experiencing the charm of tradition. Known for its ultramodern architecture, luxury shopping, and vibrant nightlife, Dubai offers a range of attractions that captivate every traveler. The towering Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city and beyond. Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping malls globally, combines high-end retail with entertainment options, including an indoor aquarium and ice rink. Beyond the skyscrapers, you can experience the city's cultural side in the historic Al Fahidi district or take a traditional Abra boat ride along the Dubai Creek. Adventurous visitors can head to the desert for dune bashing, camel rides, or a night under the stars in a Bedouin-style camp. Whether you're lounging on pristine beaches or exploring the city's man-made islands like Palm Jumeirah, Dubai offers a fascinating blend of luxury, innovation, and Middle Eastern hospitality. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.